Hey, Jason Mutford here. We're going to do a completing the square technique on this not pleasant quadratic. Numbers won't be rational by the end. So first thing I want to point out, we don't have a 1x squared there. We're going to really want to pull that out so that we do have a 1x squared. Even if the other coefficients become fractions, we really want that. Now, if you were solving an equation, you could have divided by the 3 right now, because 3 times a thing equals 0 is the same as 1 times that thing equals 0. Anyway, we're going to leave it here. In case this were not an equation, if it were just the left-hand side and you needed that completed form, this video will show you how to do it. So, next step. We're going to take just the first two terms of our 1x squared quadratic. So everything else, workspace around it comes down, and in that workspace, let's do an incomplete square. So, we wanted 1x squared because right away we get x times x is x squared. Essential to the process. And then we're going to take half of this and put it here, and the other half goes there, and that gives us those labels. These labels match these labels. Absolutely important. We have not touched the negative 10/3 yet. So now let's complete this square. Now that we have the labels, row times column becomes a positive number here, but that it came out of nowhere, so we got to pay it back. Now, we haven't used the negative 10/3. We also have to incorporate this, but we have our completed square. So we take our work zone, we write the completed square as the square of the labels, and then we're going to combine these fractions and get a result. From here, you can distribute the 3 if you want to, but be extremely careful. Common mistake, people assume 3 comes in here, but no. We only have the 3 one time, but we have the binomial twice, so it's not equitable. So instead, you can only distribute it onto the squared binomial, but over here in this fraction, things do work out. And now this is solvable. So what we'll do is let's actually move this term to the right-hand side, divide through by 3, which showed up here in the denominator, take the square root, plus or minus, both possible answers there. And then this term moves over, and it is solved. So there it is. Thanks for listening. Hopefully this was helpful. Again, Mr. Mutford. See you at the next video.